Imagine working for global companies like Stripe, Spotify, or Shopify, but from the comfort of your home in India. No long commute, no office stress, and no fixed location. Just a laptop and internet connection and your skills. Today, many tech professionals are choosing remote jobs because they offer flexibility and the opportunity to work with international companies. In this video, I'm going to show you Tera companies that regularly hire remote workers around the world. Many of these companies hire developers, engineers, designers, and support professionals globally, including talent from India. If you're looking for remote work opportunities in tech, this video will give you a great starting point. World's leading online payment platforms used by businesses across the globe. Companies like Amazon, Shopify, and thousands of startups rely on Stripe to process payments securely. Stripe frequently hires for roles such as software engineers, backend developers, security engineers, and product managers. Many of these positions support remote work, making it a great opportunity for tech professionals who want to work with cutting edge payment technology. Next is Spotify, the popular music streaming platform used by millions of people worldwide. Spotify introduced a flexible work policy called Work from Anywhere, allowing many employees to choose remote work. The company hires for various technical roles, including data engineers, machine learning engineers, backend developers, and product designers. If you're interested in combining technology with a creative industry like music, Spotify can be a great place to work. Another well known remote first company is GitLab. GitLab is a DevOps platform used by development teams to manage code, collaboration, and deployments. What makes GitLab unique is that it is one of the largest fully remote companies in the world, with employees working from different countries. GitLab hires software engineers, DevOps engineers, product managers, customer success specialists, and marketing professionals. Their remote culture is one of the strongest in the tech industry. The next company is DigitalOcean, a cloud infrastructure provider designed especially for developers and startups. DigitalOcean provides simple and scalable cloud hosting services. The company frequently hires cloud engineers, backend developers, platform engineers, and technical support specialists. If you have experience with cloud computing or server infrastructure, DigitalOcean can offer exciting remote opportunities. Another big name in the tech industry is Atlassian, the company behind popular tools like Jira, Confluence, and Trello. Atlassian has introduced a policy called Team Anywhere, which allows employees to work remotely from many locations. They hire software developers, QA engineers, product managers, and DevOps engineers. Because their tools are used by teams worldwide, Atlassian continues to grow and hire skilled professionals. Most people know Upwork as a freelancing platform where clients hire freelancers. However, the company itself also hires remote employees for various internal roles. Upwork offers opportunities in engineering, data analysis, product management, and customer support. Working directly for Upwork allows you to be part of one of the largest freelance marketplaces in the world. Next is Canonical, the company behind the popular Ubuntu Linux operating system. Canonical has been a remote company for many years and hires professionals from different parts of the world. They often recruit Linux engineers, cloud engineers, security engineers, and technical support specialists. If you have experience with Linux systems or open source technologies, Canonical can be a great remote career option. Another major company offering remote opportunities is Shopify. Shopify powers millions of online stores globally and supports entrepreneurs in building e-commerce businesses. The company adopted a digital first approach, meaning many employees work remotely. Shopify hires software engineers, data analysts, infrastructure engineers, and product designers. Because e-commerce continues to grow, Shopify offers strong long-term career opportunities. DuckDuckGo is a privacy-focused search engine that has become popular. Shopify offers strong long-term career opportunities. DuckDuckGo is a privacy-focused search engine that has become popular as people look for alternatives to traditional search engines. The company strongly values privacy and remote work. DuckDuckGo hires remote employees in software engineering, product development, design, and marketing roles. Their remote culture allows people from different countries to collaborate easily. Upson, previously known as Platform.sh, is a cloud platform that helps developers deploy and manage applications more efficiently. The company focuses on modern development infrastructure and DevOps solutions. Upsun hires remote engineers who specialize in backend development, cloud infrastructure, and DevOps technologies. Uplers. Uplers is a platform that connects skilled professionals from countries like India with international companies. Many developers, marketers, designers, and digital professionals use Uplers to find remote jobs with global organizations. If you want to work with international clients while staying in India, Uplers can be a great platform to explore. Remote work is becoming one of the biggest trends in the tech industry. Many global companies are now open to hiring talent from anywhere in the world. If you focus on building strong technical skills, creating projects, and applying consistently, you can also find remote opportunities with international companies. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content about remote jobs, tech careers, and online opportunities. Also, let me know in the comments which company from this list you would love to work for.